Hi, Mike. How are you today? Looking good. What you up to? Preparing tonight's dinner, eh? It all looks very yummy. Hi, Mo. How are you doing? You look tired. Maybe you should rest for a while. What was that? It's probably just the wind. Don't worry, Mike. Sun is setting. You should probably take your corn and go home before it gets dark. Oh no! Where's your corn, Mike? What are you going to do? Do you think someone has taken it? All right, you stay here. We should call Maverick. He'll know what to do.
Woohoo! Whoa! Huh?
Hey, Marty, how's it going? What about you, Maverick?
Huh? Look
This really looks fun.
Oh?
Marty,
Whoa.
there's an emergency.
Oh no!
Maverick is going to have to take care of it. He'll be back soon. Don't worry.
Oh? Hmm? Oh?
Hey, Malcolm.
Hello.
What are you looking for?
Ah.
Archaeology search, huh? Any good?
Nay.
Well, sorry to interrupt you in your work, but there's an emergency. Can you help?
Hey.
Here comes Maverick. He'll explain everything.
Ah.
So, Mike was preparing his dinner for tonight at the cornfield
Hey.
and then realized that his corn had disappeared. He needs it for dinner.
Hey.
Can you help him?
Hey.
All right, let's go. Come on, Mike. We'll find your corn. Don't be all upset. Maverick has brought Detective Malcolm to help you on this peculiar case. Mike, could you explain to Malcolm what happened exactly? Mike was doing his daily chores on the cornfield and was collecting some corn for his dinner. When he came back to the pile to collect them, it was all gone. That's very strange. Mike, was there someone with you when it all happened? Not that Mike knows. Although, he did see Mo earlier, actually. Hey, Mo. Malcolm would like to ask you a couple of questions. It will only take a minute. What were you doing at the cornfield today, Mo? Mo was towing some wood planks today to repair an old shed he used to play in when he was a kid. And how come we don't see your planks right now? Mo was very tired of the towing, so he decided to rest for a minute. His planks are just around the corner of the mill. Mo doesn't really like to be accused like that, unless you have evidence.
Uh-huh.
Mo is probably not responsible for this, Malcolm. We need to find more clues, though.
Uh-huh.
Don't be all moody, Malcolm. We'll find out what happened. Look! Corn tracks! Let's follow them.
Oh. Huh?
All right, guys. There are still corn tracks behind the mill. We should follow them and see where they lead. Well, well. What is all that? Looks like we have found your corn, Mike. But how come it's here? Of course! The windmill pushed these away. Well, mystery solved, guys. Malcolm would like to apologize for accusing you in the first place, Mo. We all knew it wasn't you, obviously. Enjoy your meal, guys. See you soon. Hey, guys. What are you doing? Wow! A giant dinosaur structure! That's a great job you've done there. What's going on, guys? Oh! Watch out, Mike! Let me call Maverick! Maverick, hurry up! Mike has been eaten by a dinosaur! Mo and Mike were building a dinosaur made of straws when it fell on Mike. Air assistance? You're right, Maverick. Let's find Mia. What has happened there? Hey, Max, what happened? A giant pillow fight? Awesome! Was Mia part of the game? You're telling me those feathers actually are Mia? Okay, then. We should help her, don't you think, Maverick? Wow. Oh, great, Maverick! Kids, Maverick needs your help to get his air tube. To help Maverick get his air tube, say air tube. 1, 2, 3. Air tube! Really cool! Now, to get Mia rid of all these feathers, please blow! Max, Maverick, you're ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow harder, right, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow longer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mia. Glad to see you. Oh! Well done, Max. You're all clean now. You're right, Maverick. Mia, we need your help to get Mike out of a dinosaur's belly. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed. To help him use his booster speed, shout, booster speed. 1, 2, 3, booster speed! Guys, Maverick is here. Oh, Mo, you should stop. Wow! Relax, guys. It's just Mike getting impatient. Don't worry, Mia. Mike is getting impatient. You really should act now. Courage, Mia! Of course! Work as a team! 1, 2, 3, go! Just a little more effort. Well done, guys. Kids, you know what to do. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, catch anything yet?
Whoa.
Whoa, looks like a big fish on the line.
Whoa! Whoa!
Pull! Pull! Yikes!
Makirahu, mama, mamami, babibadra,
Oh no, you lost your pole. Milo, Mitch, that's not very nice. Where are you going, Max? Max? It's kind of scary in there. Okay. That doesn't look safe, Max. Uh-oh. Hurry! Yikes! That was close. How will you get home now?
Oh. Oh. Ha.
Hey, Maverick.
Ha. Oh. Hey.
Max is in trouble. He ran away and the bridge collapsed. Now he's stuck. Can you help?
Oh. Mama.
Great. Let's get ready for action.
Oh. Nala, baba.
Guys, will you help us find Max?
Oh.
Hey, he only ran away because you were mean. You should help.
Nini Mariba.
Good. Now let's hurry. Well, here it is, the forest. You first.
Whoa. Oh.
They see you, Max.
Oh. Oh.
What's the plan?
Hey.
Oh.
Oh. Ba da ba. Hey.
Whoa.
Oh.
What are you up to, guys? Oh, I see.
Oh,
Whoa. Na la ba ba. Hey.
Hey.
Back up, Max.
Yoo-hoo.
Come on, let's get you home.
Badra. Ah. Oh.
Oh.
Wow, what a catch.
Wow.
See you next time, friends.
Mamma mia.
Ah.
Oh. Ho, ho.
Hi, Miranda. Beautiful day today, isn't it? What's that humming noise? You hear it?
Don't know.
It seems to be coming from that rock. Oh no, looks like you're stuck there, Miranda. Maybe someone is around that can help. Hi, Milo. Hi, Mitch. Miranda is stuck to a strange rock in the forest.
Oh.
Hey, Maverick. Testing the air in your tires? Miranda needs your help, Maverick. Hey, Mike.
Ba-da, ba-da-woo.
Miranda went closer to a rock and got stuck to it. Can you help? Great. Let's go. Stand back, guys. If you get too close, you may end up stuck like Miranda. Are you arguing about who should try to use their crane to pull Miranda? You're going to toss a coin? Well, that didn't go as planned, did it?
바나나 하 나나예요.
No, Milo. Here comes Maverick. And he brought Mike to help.
미나마.
안보 비비 리리마리 바보. 리리마리 바보.
마마마. 마마.
Mike is clearly strong enough to pull you all from the rock, but his blade is also metal, so we need to put our heads together to figure this out.
Are you?
It's a figure of speech, Milo.
바라부.
Mike, we need to use your blade to push Miranda and Milo off the rock. But first, we need to figure out how to make sure you won't get stuck either.
Ha.
Hang on a second. Is that aluminum foil? Aluminum will not stick to a magnet.
Down.
What if we wrap one side of Mike's blade in aluminum foil and use it to push you guys off the rock? That should do it, Mike. Why don't you go behind Miranda and Milo and push them off the rock? It's working.
Hey.
Here's your coin, Milo. You're being rescued just in time, guys. The sun is setting now, and soon it will be dark. Enjoy your evening, guys. See you soon.